Good afternoon. Today is June 18th, and this lecture is going to be a mini video on where does all the lipstick go. So, cosmetic industry will not tell you some of the ingredients used in its products are hazardous. There is no litigation reason for them to inform you. No one wants to be at risk for allergic reactions, irritations, dermatitis, or whatnot, so unless they're forced to, they're not going to. Where does all of it go? Well, let's face the facts. You basically eat and swallow your lipstick unless you're kissing somebody else or transferring it. The bottom line is pay attention to the ingredients that are in there. Buy those of a natural origin seems commonsensical, however, not very frequently is it done. What to expect is the average woman can eat arguably between 4 to 9 pounds. When looking for the exact source point of the conversation, we couldn't find anything earlier than Glamour Magazine 2002 who quoted this. So how much is safe for consumption? Here's the lovely part. The FDA will not weigh in. The campaign for safe cosmetics has been pushing the government to set some limits, and the FDA has resisted, insisting that there are not anything that will pose a safety risk inside lipstick, although albeit they do not recommend it for consumption. What are you absorbing through those thin lips of yours? Well, let's check it out. One great source you can use to look up ingredients is, let's see, the Environmental Working Group's cosmetic database. Type that in Google and that will take you into a place you can look up any ingredients. Let's begin with that nice shine and sheen that it allows. One of the main ingredients in that is lead. It will bioaccumulate, which means it will stay in your body over time and increase its concentration. It can interfere with a ton of processes in your body, including tissues, heart, bone, intestines, kidneys, reproductive systems, nervous systems, hormone systems, memory. It can give you a headache, abdominal pain, kidney failure, but it goes on and on. Recently, an FDA analysis said that over 400 shades of lipstick contain trace quantities of lead. So it just depends on how much and how often and how frequently. There is an old wives' tale on the internet called the gold ring test, where you smear some lipstick on a napkin or something and swipe it with a gold ring to see if it turns black. They all turn black. I wouldn't trust the test. I didn't find anything that would verify the test as scientific. Why it turns black, I don't know. Honestly, I don't care. I'd stick with the FDA analysis in the laboratory. Phenol is another ingredient in there, and that's what helps your lips break down, makes them thinner, so it makes the consumer want to put on more product. Methylparaben is a preservative used in many products, and parabens are not legal in the EU because they've been linked to cancer, although the United States sure allows them to be sold. And they also create hormone problems. Polyparabens is also a frequent cosmetic ingredient, and it can irritate your skin and eyes and cause other allergic reactions, classified as moderately moderately hazardous. One of my favorite ones, the thing that helps things turn red, is carmine. Carmine comes from beetles that eat the prickly pear in the South of America. Once they are full of the cactus juice, they're scraped off, boiled, dried, and crushed, and that's what gives it that nice red dye that's in some of the lipsticks and blushes that women use. There's iron oxates used for coloring. Lanolin used from the oil glands of sheep found in their wool and pressed out. However, it's heavy laden in pesticide residue from all the things they're exposed to. Petroleum-based ingredients can cause allergic reactions that can actually dry out the lips over time, requiring even more application. And my favorite is bisphenol A, used as a preservative and is also carcinogenic. I'm just having a hard time talking today. What I would recommend for safe ingredients is go look for beeswax, go look for candonella wax obtained from the candonella plant used in lipsticks. It's also non-toxic. A lot of people will just put on olive oil or coconut oil before bed to keep their lips moist and don't worry about painting them another color. Up to you what you want to put on. Research online and find safe and verifiable websites. and let me know if I've missed something important or gotten something inaccurate. Make it a great day.